Resto Bar. Yeah. You can play pool. You can... ano ba? You can sing. Yeah.
Sing.
Yeah.
Sing is free?
Sing, yeah.
What need to do for sing? Need to order something, foods? For example, I want to sing.
Yeah.
What I need to do? Every song need pay or need to buy something?
It's up to you.
Up to you.
Yeah.
It's good.
But they play country music.
Country music.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I just wait my friend because my friend is regular guest. Same like Georgi. Georgi from Russia.
You want me to meet you there?
Maybe other people don't like. That's why. If you want in the video, it's okay. But maybe inside people, they maybe don't want. That's why I not filming inside. Okay, thank you.
I get the inside.
You want?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just secret only.
Okay, just hold camera.
Yeah.
Who don't like, just message to me. I will cut video.
It's on?
Already on. Just only.
Yes. Okay. Hi. Hi guys. Kinuha ko na sa likod. Sir George! Sir George! Ay, nice. Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, send. Hi, Georgi. Hungry? Shaira now in kimchi restaurant. I know maybe you don't want kimchi. If you want, we can go to Clark McDonald's. We take Shaira and go to Clark McDonald's, okay? Okay, let's go, let's go. Some of the worker in the bar, in the club, they asking why Georgi not want talk. I said Georgi shy because you remember before. Oh, wait. Later. So noisy. You remember before? Oh, again music, copyright music. Did you remember before some guy want to kill you when you go to home? That's why you have, I said you have stress. No. Not this? No. What happened? Okay, go to kimchi. Shaira in the kimchi now. Where Shaira? Shaira eat already. Finish or not? Wait you. Shaira, do you want to eat more? Aye? Okay. Because Georgi won't go to McDonald's. So after you eat, we go to McDonald's, okay? Don't have rain? Don't have rain? Good. You don't have. Bar? Ah, it's bar. New bar. before have rain because wet. Okay, another side. Traffic.